Hi, this is Ryan, one of the founders of PolicyProof. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to PolicyProof and walk through our website. As it shows here on my screen, we help online businesses avoid litigation with policy revision validation. That is a longer way of saying that we monitor the URLs of policies for our customers, whether it's a privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund policy, disclaimer, any of those types of policies. And when we detect a change in the contents of those policies, we create both a visual and a text-based snapshot of those policies. So our customers at any point in time can prove the contents of their policies. So sometimes running an online business, you may face a disgruntled past client or a disgruntled customer, whatever the case may be, and you need to prove that your policies said a certain thing at a certain given point in time. And that's what we do. We take those snapshots, we apply our verified seal, we date stamp them, and as a independent third party, we're able to help you potentially avoid litigation or any other types of sticky situations you might find yourself in as you run an online business. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll down the homepage here a bit and just talk through some things. Communicating policy changes to your customers is important. Unfortunately, that's not enough. And we have together as co-founders, we have over 48 years of experience running our own online businesses, supporting others, our clients, our customers, and their online businesses. So we've seen it all when it comes to policies and policies being challenged and that sort of thing, right? So you may be doing all the great things that you can do as far as communicating those policies, but as it says here on the screen, again, unfortunately, that's not enough. So let's run through some scenarios. Your website. So you have policies on your website. That's great. That's a great first start. You have to have those, right? However, how many times have you gone to a website and you don't read the policies before making a purchase, right? It happens all the time. Okay, let's talk about email. Same thing. So maybe you're sending out emails to your customers saying, hey, our privacy policy changed. Just imagine what happens when you get those types of emails. Do you go through and do you read them in their entirety? No, typically no. The next one is in-app. So you're using your mobile phone, you're in an app, whatever that app may be, and you get a notice that says, assuming you even see the notice also, but let's say you do see the notice that, hey, our terms have changed. What's the likelihood that you're even going to read those policy updates? Not very likely. And lastly, here is mail. So snail mail, like you've got a letter that's dropped into your mailbox you're dropping them into your customers, your clients' mailboxes. But now imagine like you're receiving that at your house or your business, a piece of mail that says, hey, we've updated some of our policies, what are the chances that you're actually opening that mail and reading the message in its entirety? Or what is it more likely that you're just walking over to your recycle bin and shredding those? Okay. So again, communicating the policies in all of these four ways should be happening in most cases, depending on your business. But even then, it's not enough. Okay. How it works, we're going to get into more of the details, but at a high level, it is onboarding. You sign up. We have a 100% white glove service going on right now, as since we've just newly launched, and we want to make sure that everything goes really seamlessly as far as the onboarding. It's 100% white glove, so we're going to make it super hands off for our customers. You just sign up, and then we're going to collect some information, very simple information, and then we're going to set everything up in your portal for you. And then we're going to start monitoring your policies and taking those snapshots. And then the last step is proving those policies. Hopefully you're never in a situation where you have to prove that your policy said a certain thing. But we are here for you if that ever happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and click this Learn More button here, and we're going to just dive into how it works a little bit more, and you'll be able to see some screenshots here. So again, onboarding. After signing up, we have that 100% white glove service. We take care of everything for you. We're just going to ask you some basic questions. You don't need to log into your portal, but if you want to, we can absolutely make that happen for you. And here's just a screenshot here of the policy URLs area, and you can see in this screenshot we've got our policies, our forget for policy proof are actually added here. So that is that screenshot. And then again, we monitor your policies. Your policies will be monitored as part of a collection schedule. If our systems detect a change to any of your policy snapshots, or your entire policy will be captured automatically. Okay. We also send you an email letting you know that a snapshot was created and provide a convenient link to your policies. Snapshots. We capture all of the text within your policies, as well as take a full page screenshot that captures all of the visual elements. Our verified seal is automatically applied to the text-based versions of your snapshots. And then over here in the screenshot, you'll see your snapshots area where you can take certain actions. And I've got two examples here I can show you. We've got the text snapshot example. You'll see here that we've got our seal and date stamp. And this is all the text within a particular policy. And then we've got a visual snapshot example. Okay. So this will be exactly as the customer or client would have seen your policy at the time visually. Moving on down is that last step that hopefully we never have to take, and that is helping you prove your policies. Okay. We are an independent third party. Changes to your policies are automatically captured as snapshots and retained indefinitely. Our policy snapshot process adds our verified seal as well as a timestamp. Okay. And then you've got in the portal, if you ever want to go into it, need to go into it, you've got a section there for your proof links where you can then take actions on those links. Okay. What's not mentioned here on our website is another feature that we stumbled upon recently, where the systems that we use to generate our policies, it's another third-party solution, we detected an error. There was duplicate content in our own policies from that provider. So we were able to detect that even before they did, and then address our policies and reach out to them and let them know that their systems were injecting duplicate content. But the additional problem there was that the duplicate content was actually incorrect. So that's a really cool side benefit. Also, while we don't say that we are a policy backup service, we are essentially giving you that feature as well. We just don't want people relying on us for that, because customers should maintain revisions of their own policies. But what's unique to us is that we can be considered as a backup, but we are that independent third party where it's, in other words, where it's just your word against the customer or the client or whatever. Being that independent third party is where we are really, really able to help. Okay, so let's go over to pricing. We have annual plans, so we're just showing you the monthly cost, what it comes out to be. So our starter plan is $60, and it's built, it's billed annually. So it comes out to $5 a month. You get one domain, up to 3 URLs monitored, which is going to cover a lot of people. And then we've got the unlimited policy revision snapshots, hassle-free 14-day refunds for everybody. Switch your plan, cancel anytime. The next one here is we've got our Pro plan, which comes out to $108 per year. So that's $9 per month. And you get one domain and up to 6 URLs. Okay, that's going to cover even more people. And it's probably going to be the most popular plan is the Pro. But again, same features, just more URLs to cover. And if you are an enterprise and you're that bigger company that has a ton of policies, then we would like to speak to you and offer you a custom plan. Okay. A little bit about us again. We are empowering you to better protect what you've worked so hard to build. Our mission, we want to help online businesses avoid litigation through policy revision validation. As online business owners ourselves, we know all too well the changes you're possibly going to face regarding your policies, and we're here in the same boat with you together. So we are solving our own problems. We're helping solve the problems of our clients and customers, and then hopefully helping you guys out there. And again, with our experience, we have 48 years combined experience in the tech space, running online businesses. We've seen it all, whether it's with our own businesses or with our clients and customers' businesses. So we know the pain point that we are trying to fix. We do have an affiliate program. This is a credit-based affiliate program. So if you believe in what we're doing here and you help us reach more customers and help more people out there in the world, we'll give you generous store credit towards your policy proof subscriptions. Okay. That I think that is about it. It's super, super easy to get started. Again, click the get started button up there at the top, pick your plan, and again, 100% white glove service. We're going to take all the work off your plate. We're literally going to ask you a couple questions, and then we're good to go. Okay. If you're interested in partnering with us, we are having discussions with hosting providers, with other companies that may be able to use us as a value add to their customer base, or other partnership collaboration ideas. We are having those discussions now. We have a book partner meeting button in the footer of our website. So would love to chat with you if you want to use that to talk to us. Okay. So that is Policy Proof. And yeah, looking forward to helping you with your business. Thank you.